regulated destruction.
Allocation emerges within transit layers as energetic force establishes direction under sustained pressure. Boundaries align through control distribution systems organized under imposed hierarchy, no delay. Permitted sequence through allocation cycles, layer processes integrate under continuous power flow motion. Channels through confined routes, cycle stabilizes within structure.
Allocation cycles, hierarchy forms through calculated distribution logic. Every unit responds to imposed energy, no deviation tolerated within the defined zone. Structure intensifies through systemic allocation. Dominance sustains continuous operational alignment under energized metron control.
Distribution intensifies through guided routes. Force aligns direction. Distribution intensifies through guided routes. Force aligns direction. No delay in erection. Order powers like a shit of shits and tensions. Storing deposits, attribution, no delays. And enforced execution now. Got ways like under reinforced data. Energy defines metro order power centers, managed transit control. Powers of attribution under regulation. Extends through sustained enforcement. Every process allocation. Educational consistency system expand. Under creation and directional force within a thousand. Authority maintains strong dominance through regulated. Can't shake command versus. Way again a sense my taste. Just transcends moderation. Now that means to resist place. Sustained and force that never gets its nation. For regulated execution. Governance initiates within rail network layers as internal force stabilizes direction under sustained pressure. Boundaries align through control. Routing systems organized under imposed hierarchy, no delay. Permit sequences through regulation cycles. Layer process integrate under continuous through confined routes. Output stabilizes within structure regulation cycles. Hierarchy forms through calculated control logic. Every unit responds to imposed direction. No deviation tolerated within defined zone. Structure intensifies through systemic regulation. Dominance sustains continuous operational alignment under internal network command. Regulation intensifies through guided rules for assignation. Precise the pressure drives continuous control, no delayed interrupts. Drug regulation intensifies like guided rules for assignation. Precise the pressure drives continuous control, no delayed interrupt. Control inside rail network, internal force govern connected paths. Dominance expands through dilation. Power circulation, that's a pathways like unenforced operate on the continuous control. disrupts eruption, no consistency.
Sustain under duration, your conventional. Authority maintains strict dominance through regulated execution. Regulated execution. Command pressure race through guarded channel force. Concentrate within action locks into fixed pathways. System intensify link to the relation, no relation, no relation, no relation.
Oil control inside rail network. Internal force carbon connected paths. Dominance expands through dilation. Power circulation at the tide raise long. Pinnacles operate under continuous control pathways. Regulation extends through sustained enforcement. Every process then full slaughter. Got your rental metro map consistency.
Architecture directs within transit layers as reinforced systems channel electrical force under these sunlight through guided distribution systems organized under imposed hierarchy. No delay permitted thunder sequence advance through guidance cycles integrate under continuous power flow motion channels through confined bros output stabilizations within strict guidance output stabilization structured guidance cycles hierarchy forms to calculate it. Deviation tolerated within defined zone. Structure intensifies through systemic guidance. Dominance sustains continuous operational alignment.
Under structure, metro power control. Structure, guide metro power. Structure, guide metro power.
Guidance intensifies through reinforced routes for science, fashion, priority, all the lines, direction, no delay, interruption.
No delay. Structure, guide metro power highs. Structure, guide metro power highs. Sustain, guide and maintain order through reinforced distribution cycles. Passion out electricals, buzzing, no disruption, no sequence. Output stabilizers, neutral pathways. Guidance extends, sustain enforcement. Every process in every process, no fracture in post zone. Authority maintains structure dominance through regulated execution. Command pressure race through guided channels. Force concentrates, direction locks into fixed pathways. System pathways, system tense pathways.
Output compresses within a ship.